You know who works the hardest in America? Not millionaires. It's the guy juggling 3 jobs and still wondering if he can afford guac at Chipotle. Most of us were taught the same thing. Go to school, get a safe job, work hard, retire at 65 if Social Security is still around. That's poor dad's mindset, trading hours for dollars. But Robert Kiyosaki's rich dad flips it. He says, the rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. Sounds fancy, but here's what it means. Instead of only earning from a paycheck, you use your money to buy assets, things that put more money in your pocket without you clocking in. Example, you could spend $500 on a TV that loses value the second you turn on Netflix, or use $500 to start an online side hustle or invest in dividend stocks that keep paying you. Rich Dad's secret is that they chase cash flow, not just a salary. Why? Because salaries stop when you stop working. Assets keep earning even when you're at the beach or binge watching The Office for the 5th time. And here's the kicker for Americans. Your job is not your security. The economy changes, companies downsize, but assets, they can pay you forever. So if you're tired of working 40 hours a week just to give it all to rent, bills, and Starbucks, start thinking like the rich. Build assets, learn how money works, and hey, hit that subscribe button, because the next video might just save you 20 years of hard work.